What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I am going to do my above ground irrigation system over again. I failed. Well, the product failed on the last one. So what happened was, when I opened the water was running all through the sides of the hose. So with this one, this is a 100-foot roll poly tubing, and this was even cheaper than buying that $30 crap that broke on me. So we have the T fitting. As y'all know, I will post a link in the description, but here it is, 100-foot. I got the fittings for this. Now, I never put this together. I put PVC pipe together, CPVC, so I know how to put that stuff together. I never put what's the new one, PEX. I never put PEX together. And this one I never did before. So I saw these fittings. It says poly fitting right here, poly faucet fitting. So I'm assuming that you put it on here and then screw it on tight like that. And this is what we're gonna hook up to our spigot on the side of the house. We are going to get into the demonstration. Okay, you guys, we are back where we started. I put the other piece already into the spigot, so this is what the washer looks like. All right, put this back here. Now I got the T. Right now I just want to test the system out, so I'm just going to hook it up directly. This is how you hook this up. What you want to do is just push the fitting in far as possible. Y'all can correct me if I'm doing it wrong. So now we're going to put this onto here. Oh, there we go. All right, y'all, we are ready for the above ground. All right, so I'm gonna turn this off in a minute, but this is one zone that I'm doing now. This is actually covering most of this, so I might put that Melnor right there in the middle so it can get all that side over there. So it can get that side over there. So this is the pipe that you need if you're doing some type of irrigation system. All right, I'm ready to turn it off, and I'll see y'all in a little bit.